Hello friends, welcome to my channel ePreschooler. I am Mita. Today I am going to show you few activities which will help the child to learn writing easily. All these pre-writing activities are very useful as it helps in developing child's vision memory, eye and hand coordination, muscle memory, body control and fine motor skills. So before we expose our children to the art of writing, let's help them through a varieties of activity like scribbling, drawing, tracing and joining of dots. So let's start our activities. Our first activity is scribbling. We can choose any pictures book which are child-like. Allow your child to scribble a lot. We can take any pictures for that like this, or we can give A4 sheet paper to the child and we'll ask the child to scribble a lot. Our next activity is tracing. I have two tracing worksheets with me. So let's start the activities. The child has to trace this standing line and sleeping line with the help of his two fingers like this. After the child will finish tracing of standing and sleeping line, then I'll say to the child, see, we have a curve here to trace as well. Shall we trace? So we'll ask the child to trace this curve as well. After he'll trace the standing and sleeping line. For our next activity, we have two worksheets with us. This worksheet will help the child to join the dots for standing line and for sleeping line. After the child will finish joining the dots for standing line and sleeping line, then we can introduce the slanting line and these curves to the child. These laminated worksheets are reusable. We have to trace this standing line. Okay? Yes. We have to start from here and we have to make a standing line till here. Which color do you want?
Orange.
Okay. After the child will finish the first section, we'll move to the next section. In the second section of this worksheet, we have given very few dots and the child has to draw a standing line with joining these dots. We have to start from here. Okay, then we'll stop here. After the child will join the dots and make the standing line, you can wipe it and it is ready for the next use. We have to make a sleeping line from here to here. Okay, we have to start from here and when we will reach here, we have to stop. Okay, so let's make a sleeping line. Child will finish this first section. Then we will say to the child, see, we have few more dots here. Shall we make sleeping line here? Let's make sleeping line here as well.
Like this?
Like this.
Did it!
Yes. Then we can wipe it. After the child will finish standing line and sleeping line, then we can ask the child to make slanting line and the child has to make curve as well. For our next activity, we are using A4 sheet paper, bindi and marker. We'll put two bindi and we'll ask the child to draw a standing line, sleeping line, slanting line and curve. Bindi will act as the control of error for the child so that the child will know from where he has to start and where he has to stop. So let's start the activity. See, I have put two bindis here. You have to draw a standing line here. Okay? After the child will finish drawing of standing line, then we'll ask the child to draw a sleeping line here. Let's draw a slanting line from here to here. You have to draw a curve like this. Okay?
Okay.
Like this, in this activity, we'll help the child to draw standing line, sleeping line, slanting line and curve without any dots. This is our next activity. For this activity, we can choose any shape and we have to draw the border of this shape. The child has to fill this gap either with the sleeping line or with the standing line. Yeah? Let's fill this gap. Okay? You have to draw sleeping line or standing line. One more. Wow, you are doing so nicely. After the child finish tracing of all those patterns, we'll ask the child to trace all these letters. So we'll take all those letters which form out of slipping and standing line. Then we'll take the letters which formed out of standing line, slipping line and slanting line. And lastly, we'll introduce the letters which are formed out of curve to the child. So like this, step by step, we'll help the child to learn the process of writing through pre-writing skills. This is all about today's activity, which is pre-writing skill. The main purpose of pre-writing activities are to prepare the child for the primary activity called writing. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment to us.